Neuralink co-founder quits the company weeks after the Jurassic Park tweet. Remember that tweet? He came out, he said, yo, we could do Jurassic Park if we wanted. No problem. 2 seconds. Let me whip that up for you. Not his words, of course, I'm exaggerating. Here were the words. We could probably build Jurassic Park if we wanted to. Wouldn't be genetically authentic dinosaurs, but maybe 15 years of breeding plus engineering to get super exotic novel species. Just super casual. And so that statement went out. I don't know, it made a little bit of news, but then he bailed on the company, or I don't know what transpired, but here's the latest tweet, May 1st. Some personal news with the star emoji things going on. That's a big deal. By the way, his name is Max Hodak. I am no longer at Neuralink as of a few weeks ago. So it doesn't update you. Waits a few weeks to officially say it. Then he says, I learned a ton there and remain a huge cheerleader for the company. Onward to new things. So seemed pretty positive sentiment.
Do you think it was because of this comment here, the Jurassic Park comment?
Well, I don't know. I mean, that's how that comment put this individual into my news feed originally. So it was obviously significant enough. I don't know. It had, it wasn't that significant. It looks like it has 232 replies and 1.1 thousand likes on that particular tweet. I doubt that has a connection. I mean, Elon says crazy stuff himself as well. Yeah. It could be, well, there's a couple of options, right? It could be some sort of disagreement, just management-wise, typical stuff. I'm going to go do something else. Okay, cool, you go do something else. Or it could be wanting to do something within work that the other people were like, no, we can't do that. And him saying, but I know how to do, we can do that. And they're saying, no, that's not the way we want to go. And him saying, you know what? I'm going to go do that on my own.
Yeah.
Could be that. Or he does something and they say, look, can you please leave quietly? Because this is a lot like analyzing the divorce situation from earlier. I mean, we're just guessing. But it is noteworthy that he put the Jurassic Park tweet and then he bounced. It's not a lot of people in the company, and the company is not that old. Hodak and Musk launched Neuralink back in 2016. I guess that is kind of older. This is crazy how. What do they say? Time flies? What do they say? Is that what they say?
Yes.
All right. Well, anyway, the piece that he brought to the company was biomedical engineering. So that seems important. And you have to fill that role.
Sure, yeah.
Biomedical engineering. I mean, it's nothing compared to your resume, but something.